Hey, Catherine, I wanted to create this video because I just want to demonstrate to you this is a very easy fix. You are definitely on the right track with this one. Okay. And so, of course, we have 1 ounce. So that 1 ounce, we don't want to try to convert that into any kind of pounds. So I'm going to scratch that out. Okay. Um, And so I'm going to scratch all that out. Um, and so what I'm going to do is I have my calculator on the screen, and I want to show you that if we do $5.31 divided by 2 pounds, okay, and then we divide that by 16 ounces, that gives us 0.165, okay. Um, I think that's the issue. You have this decimal right here. This decimal is in the wrong spot. Okay. Um, and so what I would recommend to avoid this, right? Because we have to, in order to do this one, we'd have to do $5.31 divided by 2 pounds, okay, and then divide again by 16. Because when we divide 531 by 2 pounds, we get the cost per pound. Okay. So let me do that. If we do 531 divided by 2 pounds, then that's going to give us the cost of 1 pound. Okay. And then we have to divide by 16 ounces again to give us the cost per ounce. Okay. Um, so what I would recommend is try to avoid doing that. And so from the beginning, if I know that my cost is per ounce, then I'm going to take this 2 pounds and I'm going to multiply by 16 ounces. And that's going to equal 32 ounces. Okay. So now my units automatically match. And then $5.31 divided by 32 ounces will automatically give me the cost per ounce. Okay. And so $5.31 divided by 32 is 17 cents per ounce. Okay. Um, so maybe try that. Once you know what your recipe unit you need is, go ahead and convert this first. That way you're automatically going to get the cost per ounce. Okay. Same thing, same scenario. I think in a future recipe, you're going to need eggs. Okay. So our AP to recipe, usually we buy in bulk 15 dozen eggs. Okay. And then maybe we only need 8 eggs. Okay. Well, I know there's 12 dozen, or there's 12 eggs in a dozen. So if I multiply this 15 dozen by 12 eggs, that's 180 eggs. So if I take whatever this cost is associated and divide by 180 eggs, then it's automatically going to be the cost for 1 egg. Okay. And that's what you're going to put in your recipe unit cost. That's what that column is. That's 17 cents per ounce or the cost per egg, right? So then that way it's just the cost of 1 unit. I hope that helps.